This is module number 7, Printing. There are two keyboard shortcuts that you can use for printing things quickly with the EP WorkMate recording system. The first one is the Print Review button. It's a blue button just to the right of the backspace button on the keyboard. The Print Review button prints the review screen electrograms as displayed. The Review Fit option will apply if checked. The Real-Time 12 Lead button just to the right of the Print Review button on the keyboard will print you a real-time 12 lead of what is happening the exact moment you press the button. This is the only way you can get a live printout of the 12 lead anywhere in the EP WorkMate recording system. Every other printout is done from the Print menu. You can access the Print menu by clicking the Print button. When you click the Print button, you get the Print menu that has several different portions on the screen. The top part of the Print menu is the Print options. The middle portion, or the main body, are the printout types. You can also define left and right split print, where you can split half the screen and print electrograms, half the screen and print something else. You can set the amplitude of any 12 lead printouts. Typically, this is set at auto. You can go into Printer Setup to set up specific printer options for the printer that you're using, and you can go into Print Stored Electrograms, which will allow you to batch print any electrograms that were stored as printouts during the case. Let's take a closer look at the print options. The first option is Review Fit. Using the Review Fit option slows the sweep speed of the printout, so that the entire review screen is printed on the paper. Without this option, the printout will be the exact same sweep speed as the review screen, but you will lose approximately the last third of the screen due to the different size monitor and paper. You can select a specific number of copies that you want printed. Then you have 4 different options where you'd like the printouts to print to. The printer option is the most basic and means that the output will go directly to the printer. Print to File allows that printout and anything that's printed to be saved to a file, which can be batch printed at any point during or after the case. Anything that is chosen Print to File is also available to be dropped into a report at the end of the case. Print Review allows you to look at your printout on the screen before it prints to the printer. Print to Report creates an image that can be dropped into a report at the end of the case. Now let's take a closer look at the print items. From the print items, you can choose to print the review screen. This would be the same thing as hitting the Print Review button on the keyboard. You can print a 12-lead EKG of your review screen at either 25 or 50 millimeters per second. It's important to know that these are not real-time 12 leads. These are 12-lead printouts of whatever you have on your review screen. You can also print out a 12-lead screen. This is like printing out a rhythm strip. You can print out RF reports. The summary report is what's most often printed, and that prints out a summary of ablation that was done, what time it happened, how long it lasted, average temperatures, powers, impedances, etc. You can print continuously. If you choose to print continuously, you must choose a starting point and a stopping point on your review screen, and then it will print everything that was recorded in between those 2 points. Exporting data allows the user to export raw signal data in ASCII or binary file types. You can also create pictures, slides in either bitmap or JPEG format. You can now create AVI video files. So instead of just creating static pictures, you can now create moving electrograms. You can print a log report or a charting report, or you can export map points.